dice. Can they hit the jackpot? Gomez, Jordi Alba, Lionel Messi!
Oh my goodness!
Lionel Messi does it again. He's superhuman. Oh, Lionel Messi has just exploded La Liga into life. Another chapter in the incredible story of this little man.
Oh my goodness, you cannot write the script for this, Rob. This is unbelievable stuff. Look at the faces of the Real Madrid fans and the Real Madrid players. Unbelievable. It's blown the league wide open.
His 500th goal for Barcelona is possibly the most significant one. How much is that shirt worth?
He's going to get booked, but he don't care. He's going to get booked.
Book me, jail me, handcuff me. He doesn't care what they do to him tonight. Extract his teeth. He has scored the goal.
What a run from Sergio.
¿Dónde está CR7? CR7, ¿dónde está? ¿Dónde está CR7? ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está CR7? CR7, ¿dónde está? ¿Dónde está CR7? CR7, ¿dónde está? CR7, CR7, ¿dónde está?
Barcelona him ringing around the Camp Nou. There is no such thing as a pre-season friendly anymore. The MSN, the chosen one tonight is Gerard Deulofeu, who returns to... He's in the hot seat, and Zinedine Zidane, who's just signed a new 3-year extension to his stay. He's looking to add yet another trophy to his cabinet.
Starting from now.
And away we go. Losing against Barcelona, even drew against the MLS All-Stars, but tonight they're hoping to peak. And it's Kovacic who's got the midfield position. He's playing in place here at this point. There's talk of him being loaned out to get him some playing time. Now he's arguably in the team ahead of Cristiano Ronaldo, though of course Ronaldo is not fully fit. But Ronaldo, for the first time in his career, it's a great ball over the top. Nice take by Suarez! And he warms the hands of Keylor Navas. The two players to regard him as offside. Here is Gareth Bale, and Titi coolly gets himself and Barcelona out of a tight situation. Bit of a folk hero in these parts. Goes on the outside. Whisked away by Kovacic. Kroos is with him. Isco with the dancing feet. And went for the deceit.
Isco again with the
star attraction so far has been Isco. The referee has his first big decision to make of the evening. Messi arrives down there in pain. Barcelona quite a while to impose themselves on the match, and another raw challenge on Messi, this time from Gareth Bale. His looks could kill.
He's getting involved in the game more.
He goes for it, he almost gets it. You could see Navas half expecting something like that. The Real defence, and it appeared to be a handball from PK, and if it was deliberate, the referee, will caution him.